Hi guys, my name's Sham and I am here from the Waterside Holiday Group. Today I'm going to take you around one of the most luxurious lodges I have ever seen. We have got the Osmington, which was bespoke made for us by Prestige. This is 584,995 and it's a 3-bed super lodge. I will show you the views over the bay, and just so you know where we are on the map, we are a 5-minute drive from Weymouth, and Osmington itself is a stunning little village within Dorset. The first thing you'll see when you come out of your 2-car drive is this hot tub, which is placed perfectly for that view where the sun actually sets. So not only do you get the 2-car drive, but with this plot you actually get over 600 square feet of beautiful decking. You can have sun loungers, dining table and chairs, all here enjoying that view. When you come in, you've got a lovely space to take your shoes off, to sit down, put your coats on the walls. We have kitted this holiday home out with the best appliances. So we've gone with Bosch for the microwave, oven, grill. This is a residential spec lodge. What that means is you have got a full washing machine, dishwasher, and all the insulation that you could enjoy for staying here in the winter as well as in the summer. One of my favorite things about this lodge is when I came here for the very first time, I actually ended up getting multiple wow factors. This is one of them. Look at that view from that dining table. Imagine having breakfast, lunch and dinner sat here. You then come to this perfect seating area where you can enjoy views over the sea, but you also have the options of having these double doors open where you can get straight onto the decking. So now I'm going to show you the remainder of those wow factors that I just mentioned with the bedrooms. When you come into this first double bedroom, the first time I ever came in here, I actually thought this was the master. So I've actually got a better bedroom to show you than this. But look at that view with the doors that do open out onto this decking. You have a his and hers wardrobe here. So you've actually got 2 sides where you can hang and store as much as you need. Now you come into the master bedroom. As you can see, there is no wardrobe space here because it's all hidden away in your own walk-in wardrobe. Check out this view, what you could wake up to in the morning. So let me show you the walk-in wardrobe, which leads you to a double shower, toilet and wash hand basin. In most holiday homes, you have a pull-out sofa bed. You then would have, in a 3-bedroom, a double bedroom, a twin room and another twin room, so it should sleep 8. In this lodge, we've actually had the sofa without a pull-out sofa bed, but what we have done is kept 2 spacious doubles, and this 3rd room, having young children myself, when I saw this for the first time, I just knew that they would love it. And we've gone with 3 single beds, the bunk beds and a full-size 3-foot wide single. I really love this quirky little feature where the kids have got a little window to look out. And the last room to show you to finish off this absolute super lodge is the bathroom. I hope you have enjoyed looking around this stunning 3-bedroom lodge. If you want to physically come and view this for yourself, you can click the link below and that will take you to our website where you can arrange coming down and looking around the park.